place a tiny dream and hold it tight.
Hello everyone, I'm Lele. Today I'm going to show you how to grow water spinach, also known as Kansung, in two simple ways. Firstly, in soil using nursery bags, and secondly, using hydroponic setup with a plastic potter. So let's start with the seeds. I started by soaking the seeds in water for about 8 hours. This helps soften the seed coat and makes germination faster. Next, I use the tissue method. Place the seed between moist tissue. Put them in a container and leave them in a warm and dark place. After a few days, they start sprouting. Once the shoots appear, they are ready to be planted.
Feel the breeze as the days go by. From tiny seeds to leaves so free. Let the garden grow with me. Some in pots, some in rows, some in places no one knows. Every stem and every sprout knows just when to reach right out. Grow with me under sun and sky. Feel the breeze as the days go by. From tiny seeds to leaves so free. Let the garden grow with me. Rain will come and winds may blow. The roots hold.
For the first method, I'm using nursery bag, filling with a rich soil. You can use garden soil combined with compost.
Soon you'll find new life everywhere. Grow with me, winds may blow, but our roots hold strong as they grow. You don't need much, just love and care, and soon you'll find new life everywhere. Grow with me, come plant today. Dig a little hole in the morning light.
Make a small hole, place the sprout seed gently inside, and cover it lightly with soil. Water gently and place the bags in a sunny location. Keep the soil moist, and in a couple of weeks, you will see a green shoot appearing.
Feel the breeze as the days go by. From tiny seeds to leaves so free. Let the garden grow with me. Some in pots, some in rows, some in places no one knows. Every stem and every sprout knows just when to reach right out. Grow with me under sun and sky.
For the second method, I'm making a simple hydroponic setup using a plastic bottle and a nursery bag. This little bag. I cut the bottle in half. The top part will hold the seed and the bottom will be the water container. The cup already has a hole. I use a small nursery bag to block the hole. It keeps the soil in a place while allowing root to pass through into the water. Add a small amount of soil inside the top half and gently plant the sprout seed.
The garden grow with me. Rain will come and winds may blow. The roots hold strong as they grow. You don't need much, just love and care, and soon you'll find new life everywhere. Grow with me, winds may blow, but our roots hold strong.
Now, I place the top half back into the bottom half filled with clean water. The roots will go down through the nursery bag into the water below. Put the setup in a sunny spot and check the water level regularly. In no time, your water spinach will thrive. That's it. 2 simple ways to grow your own water spinach. One's in the soil, one's is a plastic bottle hydroponic system. Very simple. Try both and see which one works best for you. Don't forget like and share if you found this helpful. Happy gardening!
Don't need much, just love and care. And soon you'll find new life everywhere. Grow with me, come plant today. Nature always finds a way. From little hands to bumblebees, let the garden grow with me.